Hi everybody, I'm Adrian and my project is with Stripe. Since some of you wanted to implement the comments on pins as I did on my app, and as shown here in this question, I decided to create a tutorial on how to implement comments on your pins. For this I prepared an app. We can see it here, which is a basic Pinterest style app which we created during this tutorial. What we want is to create a way to implement here the comments, to input comments and to see all the previous comments for this pin. So let's see how this app looks like. Here we have views, models and everything like we did during the class. In order to start this comment implementation, we need to create a scaffold. So we'll go to the terminal and we'll write Rails generate scaffold, and we call this comments, and we'll have two fields for this. One, it will be for the relations with the pins, pin ID, which will be a number, and will be indexed. And the other will be a simple text, which we will call it body, the body of the comment. Okay, this creates here a migration, which we can see under DB. Because previously I had tried this implementation on the same app, I will have an issue with this table, with the comments table. So I have to drop the comment table before I can create it. Now we can migrate this. With regdb migrate. Okay, and now we have the whole structure for the comments implemented here. We will see that we have under controllers comment controller. We will have a model for comments, and we have comments views. I have first to stop my server and restart it. And now we have to see the changes here. If we write comments, we'll see that we have this implemented, and we actually create a new comment. Unfortunately, we have to input the pin ID, which is not very easy. So we will recreate this type of input. But we do not want to be here. We will recreate the input under the pin here. Okay? So this is under the show page, and we will change the show page for the pins. Show, yes? Just here below the back link, we will write some code. The code is here. Okay, what this code does, first puts a title, comments underneath our page. Then it renders a partial, which we didn't create it yet, but we will create. in the next moment. And then it creates a form in order to input a comment. So let's save this and let's go and create the parser. For this we go to the comments views, and here we'll create the parser. I have it also prepared as the controller. Here's the parser. It's a simple one. It creates a div for each comment, and it writes posted at some time ago, and then it adds a comment body. We'll save this, and it will call .html.erb. So it's comment.html.erb. We have to change the controller for the comment. For this type of controller, we do not need all these actions, show, create, and everything, which was done by implemented by the scaffold. So we'll have only the create action. So for the create, we have here the okay. What we have is that we will take the pin ID, then we will create a new comment using this pin ID and the data which was provided by the form previously. And then we will save the comment. In order to see our comments in pins, we need to add something to the routes. So the routes you can find under config routes. We have here resources comments, but we need this one. Save. And what we need also is under models to show that the comment belongs to pin, and also the pin has many comments. Let's see how the app is performing. Let's try to reload this. And lucky for us, we have here comments, new comment field. So we can input here our first comment. And here it is. You can see it. You can add another comment. So you just added the commenting function to your app. So if you like this tutorial, please vote for my VidStripe app here. Thanks.